Hi, Sujith.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am. What about you?
I am good, Sujith. So this is Anuda from Quality Department, Sujith. I just want to take a feedback from your side. So before starting that, congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Can you introduce about yourself?
So, myself, Sujith Paul, ma'am. I'm studying BTech final year civil in Karnia University from Coimbatore. I did my projects and internships along with my bachelor degree.
Okay, so like you're the SEM student.
8th sem, ma'am. Final year 8th sem.
Okay. So how did you get to know about CMTI?
Ma'am, I get to know from my HOD, Hemalata, ma'am. She referred CMTA from Karnia University's MOU.
Okay, fine. So your
I,
college had a MOU.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So whether Ashok sir was meeting to the colleges, so he was coming to colleges.
Yes, I attended many seminars, ma'am.
Huh.
Sir took classes. It is very
Okay.
helpful to me.
Okay. You had attended the seminars and all in the colleges.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how was your interview process, Sujit?
Ma'am, interview process is very good, ma'am. First of all, they took one exam, ma'am. After that, online exams, three exams like AutoCAD aptitude test, and SketchUp test.
They were assessing you the first round.
Yes, ma'am. That is first round, ma'am.
Okay.
And second round is top of from Jana groups. Top of the person he took
Fine. Like he had guided you very well, no?
very well, ma'am.
Okay. So can you tell me about CMTI app and all?
Ma'am, it is very needful to me, ma'am, for learning every day. Every day for attending interview also, it is good to me. It is helpful
Okay.
to me. For I suggest to my friends also.
What do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
From CMTA only, I learned something to attend in interviews. From my success in that, ma'am.
So you had shortlisted. So will
Yes,
you refer your friends?
yes, ma'am. Definitely, sure.
Okay. Thank you, Sujit. Thank you so much for your feedback. All the best for your future and congratulations for your placements.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sujit.
Thank you.